Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Vlog.135 and welcome to this vlog. The first vlog of October. Yes, it is October. We are creeping up on Christmas. So yes, Christmas presents with the whole what kit to get for Christmas. Got last month's competition to announce in this little vlog here. We was giving away 2 of these kits. Got another kit to give away, which I'll show you later on. The Phantom's coming along. Admittedly, not as quick as I'd like to. Sadly, a couple of little health problems myself, but I suppose that's what happens when you turn 40 and get older and older and older. But yes, the Phantom, you know, the cockpit all done. We've gone off and done all our wheel wells and everything, starting to bring the fuselage and the wing section together, and as you can see, you know, really starting to come together. I am liking it. It's quite different, the way this is kind of been designed, and it's such a good fit that it's almost like it almost takes away a lot of the whole sort of like filling and sanding and scribing of all those join lines, and just sort of saves you a lot of time. I mean, there's just quite a few areas I haven't got to touch like if you would touch a normal model. You know, you're probably best just kind of watching the episodes as they come out, but yeah, it is just a lot easier. Really cracking kit. Really loving Ming and everything they're coming out with. Oh, I think I did see something. What was it now? Oh yeah, I remember now. It was on Facebook. There was the Chinese version of the F-35 Lightning, bringing that out apparently sometime soon, so we'll try and get our hands on that. I do have the F-35 Lightning by Ming as well, which I want to sort of show you that one, because that also looks cool as well. Very good kits, going together very well. So if you ever want to buy a Ming, you know, you should be happy with the way they go together. So that is the Phantom there. So let's have a look at last month we were giving away these 2 beautiful kits here. We have the Focke-Wulf 190 and by Tamiya, as well as the Hawk Typhoon by Airfix. We're going to be giving these away, and as I always do the random number generation, go down our database of all you people have accounts on the Genessis Models website, and I came to Luke Steffens. So congratulations, you Luke Steffens, you are the winner. All you got to do is give me an email, let me know your mailing address, and I'll get these shipped out to you free of charge. Now, over on the Discord, the Genessis Models Discord, where you can sort of go if you don't know about it, it's a great place. There's kind of like built-in forums, and you could post, show off your work, work in progress, show off your final reveals and everything. But this month, I'm going off, and I normally sort of pick like the top pick of the month on Discord, which after looking through all your fantastic work, I came to the Irish Scale Modeler. Irish Scale Modeler, you get top pick for building the F-14A Tomcat by Tamiya in 1/48 scale. What really drawed my eye to these final reveals is, one, photography was great. Always great to have good photography. Nice to have a nice in-flight display with those clear acrylic rods. Love it when people do that. I should probably do that a bit more often myself. But if you look at the spine of it in the on the fuselage, lovely weathering going on there. You can see loads of techniques going on there. Looks like potentially the salt weathering technique, potentially all sorts of oils and pigments and oils and streaking, and just everything's thrown in there to kind of really make the F-14 look the dirty bird it's supposed to be. So congratulations to you, Irish Scale Modeler, for our top pick of the month on Discord. So next up, we'll jump into what is this month's competition. This month I'm going to be giving away this beauty just here. It is the Spitfire Mark 1A by Edard 1/48 scale. It's also a Provi Pack edition, so you do get all that lovely photo etch and all the goodies and canopy masks that come with it. Cracking kit, goes together lovely. You can't really grumble at it. The surface detail is absolutely sublime. Loads and loads of lovely details. So to be in it to win it, as always, all you need to do is have an account on the Genessis Models website. Doesn't matter what kind of account you can have. You could have the free ground crew account, You could have veteran pilot, you could have the fighter race or the fighter pilot. Any of those accounts will do. I do actually kind of put your sort of name in our database twice if you are I do believe a fighter pilot, and 3 times if you're a fighter race. So if you do support Genessis models and do have a subscription with a fighter pilot and fighter race subscriptions, you do get a bit more of a chance of winning. So that's it. All you got to do is have an account, and you only have to have an account once, and you're entered in every single month. So it's good to at least get the ground crew and at least get yourself entered every single month. So that is this month's competition. I think that's basically it. I mean, I've just got to go off and try and get some work done on the Phantom, but as always, until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.